This card is absolutely busted. Nadu the Winged Wisdom is a Simic commander. It's a 3/4 flyer for 3, which is already above the going rate, and it has creatures you control have whenever this creature becomes the target of a spell or ability, reveal the top card of your library. If it's a land, you put it on the battlefield, otherwise put it in your hand. This ability triggers only twice each turn. That's twice for each creature, by the way, not just twice total. So in this deck, we're going to be running all the cards like Ivy that are copying spells, and Precursor Golem is especially good, and then a bunch of pump effects like Giant Growth, and we'll just overrun the board, drawing tons of cards, playing lots of lands, making a bunch of huge golems, copying all the spells so many times, and just overwhelm our opponents.